Improper fractions. An improper fraction would be a fraction with a numerator equal to or greater than its denominator. 3/3 has an equal numerator and denominator. 6/5 and 7/4 both have numerators that are greater than their denominators, making them improper fractions. Can you think of any others? Let's visualize improper fractions. When we visualize 3/3, we see that it will give us 1 whole. Anytime you have a numerator equal to its denominator, you will always simplify it to 1. Now let's visualize 5/3. We know 3/3 will give us 1 whole. We have 2 parts remaining, so that leaves us with 2/3. Therefore, 5/3 can be rewritten as 1 2/3. You can always use visuals to determine how to rewrite an improper fraction into a mixed number. Now, if improper fractions have numerators equal to or greater than their denominators, what can we conclude about their values? Improper fractions equal 1 or more than 1. If we have a numerator equal to our denominator, we get a value of 1. If we have a numerator that's greater than our denominator, we get a value that's more than 1. Let's take a look at how to convert from an improper fraction to a mixed number and how to convert from a mixed number to an improper fraction. Let's take 12/5 and do a backflip. 12/5 can also be read as 12 divided by 5. The numerator is always divided by the denominator, but a lot of students have trouble remembering that. So one way you can remember is to do a backflip. We have 12 divided by 5. We get 2, remainder 2. This tells us that we have 2 wholes, and the remainder of 2 tells us our new numerator for our fraction. So we can rewrite 12/5 as 2 2/5. Now, let's go from a mixed number to an improper fraction. We are going to do a cartwheel. First, you multiply your denominator by your whole number. Then you take that product and add it to the numerator. In this case, we multiply 5 times 2 to get 10, and then we add 2 to it to get 12. 12 is our new numerator, and we keep the same denominator. Therefore, 2 2/5 rewritten as an improper fraction is 12/5. Let's see why. 2 2/5 is 2 plus 2/5. Now, since we have 2 wholes can be rewritten as 10/5. So we have 10/5 plus 2/5, which gives us 12/5. In order to rewrite our whole as a fraction, we had to multiply our whole by our denominator, right? Then we took that and we added it to our fraction. So that's why the cartwheel works. It's just a shortcut version of the work that you see here.